Hi guys, Heather here. I'm getting ready to do a delivery of the Lamborghini Huracan 610-4, and I want to show you the process. I'm Heather Valentine. I'm a super luxe entrepreneur, and I'm crushing it.
Do you ever wonder if the person you're with is who you really think they are?
Oh my gosh, you look amazing.
We got these from New York.
Are you ready? Woo, you got your hat on, y'all pumped? Hi Dom, good to see you again. I'm good. Hey Rohit.
Hi, how are you?
All ready? Got your orange on?
Yes.
Really excited.
Awesome, it's beautiful, huh?
Yes.
So we'll do the paperwork inside and then we'll get you in your car.
Excellent.
Okay?
Excellent.
Come on in. We'll get cozy.
I was just thinking, I think this is about the same time we picked up this one. Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah,
Wow.
used to, yeah.
But this time we got the whole family. It's
There
really
you
cool.
go.
Yeah.
Or orange one.
Hot color. That's like the classic Lambo color. People in here.
Cheers.
So Raul, you're moving from the Gallardo Spider, which I sold you, to the amazing Lamborghini Huracan 610-4. How does it feel?
Feels incredible.
Yeah.
Top of the world.
Awesome. And what advice would you give aspiring Lamborghini owners? Because I know a lot of them will be watching.
I guess two advice, so one, come and see you.
Yeah, I like that advice.
And I think that's what I told my son, you were my motivation to get into this one, even the
Awesome.
first one.
Thank you.
Because when you don't know the car so much and
Yeah.
if somebody you're dealing with knowledge, it kind of inspires you to get into one. So
Well,
I
you deserve
appreciate
it,
that.
my friend.
Thank
Very
you,
well
and,
deserved. You've worked hard, and I know the family's going to enjoy it.
Thank you.
Rohit's excited. He's got a big smile.
Yeah, so I guess if anyone looking for exotic car, you got to find the right person to deal with.
Yes.
And that's the beginning. That's a good start. And then you get to know the car and learn more about it, and then you're in it.
Yeah, absolutely. All right. Well, let's go for your first drive.
Absolutely.